You're on.
Welcome back to AM Live. I'm Monique Grossaday, and I have Beverly Houston Fisher on today. Beverly, thanks for coming in.
Oh, absolutely.
Bright and early. You look lovely today.
Thank you.
And you're going to talk a little bit about Project Thank You, is that right?
Yes, Project Thank You. We have a great event coming up this weekend. It has free admission, free parking. We've got a free kids zone with a bounce house, and you know, we're going to have crafts and arts. We've got our PTY fishing dock so the kids can throw a line in and get a little treat and surprise, and so we're very excited. We have over 60 vendors signed up, and we have music and food and just everything.
So Italian Picnic Grounds, what time?
Italian Picnic Grounds. We have our opening ceremonies and gates open on Friday for the free movie. We have Big Hero 6, and so at 6 p.m. come on in, set up your blankets, set up your chairs.
And that's Friday night
at the Italian Picnic Grounds. Everything's at the Italian Picnic Grounds. We've got flea market. We're really
The flea market. I know. I'm such a garage sale flea market kind of girl.
That's it. You know, we've got bingo on Sunday with Accra, and Bingo Bob are going to be coming in. So we're really trying to give a little bit of everything for everybody.
Just a little bit about Project Thank You. Explain to everybody what that is and who puts that on.
Well, Project Thank You is a nonprofit that started in '08, sending care packages to those on the front lines. And in '13, we incorporated bringing in nature-based activities to help people reintegrate when they get home. So we do yoga, we have retreats, we take them camping and hiking and fishing, and you know, anything to give them new memories and to get them out in nature, because for me, nature is one of those places that as soon as I get out there, I take a nice deep breath.
It's relaxing and
I
healing.
can relax and not so much input. You know, they're really bombarded, especially the guys and gals that are coming right back from Afghanistan. You know, they've been literally bombarded, and so input is one of the most impactful things. I mean, that sounds funny, but it's just going on, and so if we can kind of
silence and
take
nature.
it away and give them a break, and you know, who knows what is going to be the limb that works for them, whatever path it is. But we've been offering yoga free to veterans for over a year now, up at Mace Meadows and down at Victory Village. We've been teaching there, and just, you know, again,
Kind of to get grounded again when you come back to the U.S. and life is just askew. Just one way to kind of center yourself, you know, every couple days with yoga, relax, clear your mind. Very healthy. I like that idea.
Absolutely. So that's why we're doing the fun fair, to get the word out. It's a fundraiser, so things are free, but you know, donations are always welcome.
Sure.
And we're just really excited. It's Saturday from 9 to 6 and Sunday from 10 to 4, plus our movie on Friday night. So.
And that's just a wonderful thing to do for the whole community. So everybody's invited. You don't necessarily have to be a veteran.
Oh, absolutely not. Everybody's invited. Like I said, we've got the movie, we've got the vendors, so we've got all kinds of Munnerlin's going to be there.
Great ice cream.
And we've got Sweet Colonel's going to be there with their lovely, delicious caramel and kettle corn. We got kebabs, and you know, it's
That's just what a neat event.
Yeah.
You know, so on top of being a cool thing to do on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the purpose is really special.
Yeah, and it's close to my heart. You know, I'm a military brat. My grandfather was in World War II, my dad was in Vietnam, and my husband served in Desert Storm. So I don't know life without military.
Right.
And, you know, I was signing up when I found out I was pregnant with my oldest son, or I would have been there myself.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a neat history. And my family was all in the military, you know, up until this generation. But, yeah, so I totally understand. And the people that come back from these places that they're deployed to, there's so much on their plate when they arrive. I mean, overwhelming, maybe it's family or maybe they don't have any family. You know, how do I go back to work? Where am I going to live? What's going to go on here? And if I have injuries or anything debilitating, it's just like, you know, I can equivalent it a little bit to being like returned from incarceration, because all of a sudden you're here in the U.S. and it's like a foreign world.
Right, right. And how do I fit back in with everyone when I'm not the same person I was when I left?
Exactly.
So it's that reintegration.
People want information. How do they contact you?
Website is projectthankyou.org, or you can call us 800-690-0896.
Great. This weekend, Friday evening, Saturday and Sunday, come on out and take a look. Thank you, Beverly, so much for being on the show. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
Amador Live, only on cable.